Namaskar parents, good morning kids. How are you all? Hope you all are safe and fine at home. My name is Sachi ma'am from New Era Global School. So first, start with prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Now rub your hands. Put them on your eyes. Open your eyes. And now you feel fresh. Okay. So our today's session will start with phonics sound. Yes. So shall we start? A says A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, A, F, G, G, H, I, E, J, J, K, K, L, M, N, O, O, P, P, Q, V, R, S, T, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. What is the phonic sound of Z? So our phonic sound is done. Now activity time. Okay, so today's activity is based on letter R. So yesterday we learned how to write capital letter R, right? So we already learned small letter R. So dab the lowercase. Lowercase means small letters. Lowercase means small letter and जो capital letter होते हैं उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? Upper case. Which case? Upper case. So dab the letter R lower case. मतलब हमें क्या करना है? Small letter R में dab करना है. So now we dab with red color. Red and reddish we dab the letter R with the help of a reddish. So shall we start our today's classwork? So first of all, shall we start our today's activity? So first of all, color inside the rainbow. आपको क्या करना है? रेनबो में कलर करना है, right? So now take a reddish, dip inside the color and where is small letter R here? This one? Yes. So dab inside the R like this. Okay. Again take a color. Where is R? Find the R. Find the small letter R and R says R. R for reddish. R says R. Dab here. Again dip and find the letter R here. Okay, so dab here. Dab like this. I will share you this activity. I will share you this practice sheet in group. Okay. R for rose. R says R. R for reddish. R says R. R for red color. So find the small letter R here and dab it like this. Then again this one is also R, but this one is capital letter R. So find the small letter R and dab it like this. Again dip in color. Then find the letter R says R, small letter R and dab it. Dab like this. Then again this one. No, this one is okay. Now find the letter R. This one. Then dab it. Again dip in red color. Then find the letter R and dab inside the color like this. R says R. R says R. Find the letter R and dab it like this. Which letter R we find? Small letter R. Which letter R? Small letter R. R says R. R says R. Where is R here? This one. Okay, so dab the radish there. Like this. Dab. Now here also 3 R, right? So we dab the letter R and R says R. R says R. So today's activity is done. So today's activity we done with R for radish and R for red color. Okay. So first what did we learn? We find the letter R and we dab inside the circle. So our today's activity is done. You also color inside the rainbow. Okay. So now classwork time. So before classwork, we learn one new rhymes. Which rhymes? Rain. Okay. So rain. Shall we start? Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. अच्छा, और आप लोग मुझे बताओ कि अगर बारिश आती है तो आपको खेलने का मौका नहीं मिलता है ना बाहर, तो आप लोग क्या बोलते हो? रेन, आप चले जाओ ताकि हम खेल सके, राइट? सो ये राइट्स उस पर डिपेंड करती है. रेन, रेन गो अवे मतलब रेन गो अवे मतलब आप जाओ. कम अगेन आप वापस आना दूसरे दिन. आज हमें खेलना है, राइट? Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Little Johnny मतलब little जो बच्चा है जिसका नाम जॉनी है वो खेलना चाहता है. So rain, rain, go away. So are you enjoying that? So once again, okay, sing with me. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. So now our rhymes is complete. So let's quick revise. What did we learn yesterday? So yesterday we learned capital letter R in our textbook, page number 23, right? So today's class work is in English worksheet. Today's class work is in English worksheet. Take out page number 33. Take out page number 33. Okay. So half page is your class work and other half page is your homework. So are you all ready? Okay. So take out your pencil and eraser, everyone. It's R for rose. R for rose. So how we write a small letter R? Standing line, half curve. And how we write capital letter R? Standing line. Yesterday I will introduce how to write capital letter R, right? Then left side curve. Then slanting line. So shall we start our today's class work? So take out page number 33. Now trace and write the letter R. Which letter? Letter R. And R says R. R says R. So are you all ready? Okay. So first of all we start with tracing part. So standing line. Then which curve is this? Left side curve. So left side curve, and between two blue lines we make a slanting line, right? Again standing line, pink line to blue line, हमें क्या करना है, लेफ्ट साइड कर्व, देन स्लैंटिंग लाइन, R says standing line, left side curve, slanting line, standing line, left side curve, slanting line, R for rose, R says so first tracing part is done. Now second line, standing line, left side curve, slanting line, R says standing line, left side curve, slanting line, standing line, left side curve, slanting line, makes the letter R. Which letter? Letter R. And which letter I says? Capital letter R. And R says R. So our trace part is done. Now writing time. So are you ready? So how we write letter R? Can anyone tell me? First pink line to blue line, we make a sleeping line? No. Standing line. Very good. Then which curve? Right curve? No. Left curve. Left side curve. Then slanting line. R says standing line, right side curve, left side curve, and slanting line. R for rose, standing line, left side curve, slanting line. R for rope, standing line, left side curve, slanting line. R for rabbit. So our today's classwork is done. Our today's classwork is in English worksheet page number 33. Now homework time. Our today's classwork is in English worksheet. So write CW here, page number 33, and HW here, because half page is in your classwork and other half page is in your homework. So how we write the letter R? Same as classwork, we trace the letter R, then pink line to blue line we make a standing line, left side curve, and slanting line. Easy na? Again standing line, left side curve, slanting line, standing line, left side curve, slanting line. R for rose, standing line, left side curve, slanting line. R says R. So our today's classwork is done, and our homework also done. So kids, our today's classwork and activity, let's quick recall. So first we find the letter, small letter R, and we dab with reddish and with red color, right? Dab the lowercase means small letter. So we find the small letter here and we dab the reddish inside the circle. Then our today's classwork is in English worksheet, page number 33, right? Page number 33, in two lines we trace the letter R, and in one line we write the letter R. Now our today's homework and classwork. Parents, please guide your children. Classwork page number 33 in worksheet, half page. Homework page number 33 in worksheet, other half. So our today's classwork and homework is done. Hope you like our today's classwork and homework. Thank you everyone. Enjoy your awesome day. Bye.